Welcome back, my dear students. So it's time for us to start doing users. Now, I went ahead and clicked on this button that we set up before on the site navigation. We set up the parameter for users, and you should have that users.php page in the template back. Okay, even though you probably did not see me dragging it to this folder, make sure that your users.php is in the back folder. All right, you should have it in your project files that you downloaded. All right, so now we need to convert this page because I never did. All right, so if you did, great for you. Very good for you. I just never did convert this page, so I'm just gonna do it right now real quick. All right, there is nothing else that I need to take care right here. And so now my page should look good right here. Enter. All right, beautiful. Now this page has some links already. All right, so I did a little bit of work for you. All right, and we're just gonna make it a little better. Okay, so the way that I'm gonna set this up is that we will be able to delete the user from here. I'm gonna put this link, this delete link right here, and let's do that right now. Okay, just making this a little tighter. All right, so these action links here, I'm not gonna have them here. All right, perfect. Okay, so let's go ahead and work with this page real quick. So this is going inside our function. All right, so I'm gonna take a lot of these pages out of here. And edit product. We're gonna use functions. So all right, so I'm gonna say admin users right here, make a comment. All right, and let's see, we have a function here that will display something very similar to what we want. I think this function right here, if we modify it, the category one, oops, I went too far. There we go. Here, and we'll just say show users or display users. We only have one place to display users, right? There we go. And we're gonna select everything from users. There we go. User ID, I believe that is user, oops, you know what, I forgot a lot of the columns that we got. So let's go back and check users. User ID, username, email, and password. All right, now I got it. User ID, username, we're converting some of these things here, and it could really be a problem because sometimes we make a mistake and we forget to modify some of the values here. And this would be the password. All right, so this delimiter here, of course, we'll get the user ID here. We'll get the username. We don't want to show the password, do we? Not really. And we'll show the email. For that, we'll just create another TD right here. Make sure we take that $sign out of there. Update it like this. Let's call this is user. User. And we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 TDs, and this is gonna go to delete user like this. user ID right here. I think we are doing this pretty fast, right? 1, 2, 3, and let's go back to users. Let's take this off, and 1, 2, this is email. So we're gonna show ID, username, email. All right, that's it. And here we'll put a function PHP display users. All right, let's come back and make sure that everything's okay. It is okay. I don't know. It might work, right? Come back here, enter, and there we go. All right, simple. And then we'll create the delete page right now, and this is gonna be super fast too. Save as, delete user. All right, so delete from users where user ID, user deleted, users, users. That's beautiful, right? All right, we don't want to delete Rico, right? I like Rico. Let's delete this one. Beautiful. All right, so we're getting everything we need right here. The next step is to add the user. So in the next lecture we'll take care of that, and I'll see you then. Bye bye.